in the yoga capital of the world, also known as Rishikesh, India.
Tapovan, Rishikesh, up in the foothills of the Himalayas.
Right on the Ganga, also known as the Ganges River to us from the United States.
A nice babbling brook. Most delicious place ever.
Should we stop and get coffee?
So we just stopped and we had a full meal. I had buckwheat pancakes, coconut milk in my coffee, a wheatgrass shot, and Emma had a juice, and it was all for 420 rupees, which is just under $6 US, which makes it very affordable to have nice, healthy, and quick options.
Alright, so we are walking towards the Lakshman Jhula, which is a bridge that crosses the Ganga. So we're going to go to the other side to see the famous ashram that the Beatles actually practiced at back in the 60s. So we're just kind of walking there right now. There's some different markets selling clothes, mala beads, crystals, lots of food. And actually we're here during a pretty cool time. Tomorrow is Diwali, which is kind of like almost a Christmas celebration. It's celebrated all over India. Lots of the buildings have lights on them, and there's festivals all around town. So hoping we're gonna get to catch one of those tomorrow.
Usually there are a ton of monkeys here. I think it's a little bit early in the day.
Going to a beach on the opposite side of the river. Just try and get a nice view. I'm not sure what the beach is called, so there's a lot of them.
Hi! Cool. We were just on the beach, and a group of people asked to take our photographs. So it's been like a photo shoot here. They love to take photos with people from the West. So the Beatles Ashram is about a 3-mile walk from our yoga teacher training resort where we're staying. So we could have taken a tuk-tuk there and, you know, for about a couple rupee, but decided to walk.
Actually, the tuk-tuks only go on the other side of the river, so we could not have taken a tuk-tuk. Could have taken a taxi though.
Never mind, we could have taken a taxi and not a tuk-tuk, which would have been more expensive. Thank you for the clarification on that one. So now we just want to kind of walk. It's pretty calm here, so just wanted to see a different side of the city and enjoy the last couple days here. We always prefer to walk too, not only to save a couple bucks, but to see the area and kind of see what it's like living like a local.
Wonderful, thank you, Dhanyavad.
No problem. Dhanyavad. Namaste. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
Bye. 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 Photo shoot number 3. Now at
They
the
were very kind this time.
we're now at the Beatles Ashram, and it's a tiger reserve too. This is cool. As you can see, nothing is roped off here. Pretty unsafe. No laws in India. Caves for the asanas. What are they?
Meditation chambers. I guess each one represents a certain asana or posture, and it's supposed to take you from one stage of life to the next, but I'm not really sure in which direction it goes.
This is the yoga hall where the Beatles did yoga. Smells weird. What these round stone domes are meditation caves. The stones were actually taken from the Ganges River, right down the bank. Let's go inside one. You okay? The stair break? Whoa.
Just part of it. The choke fell off though.
So what did you think of the Beatles ashram? We're now leaving.
It was super interesting. The architecture was awesome. Definitely worth it, even though you pay quite a bit more as a foreigner. 600 rupees compared to 150, but still worth it.
Yeah, it's very cool. Everything is abandoned, so it's not in service anymore, but nothing is off limits. You can wander around the grounds, and it's owned by, I think, the Tiger Sanctuary or Tiger Reserve. So there's also included with your admission is access to the reserve, so you can see tigers and elephants wandering around. Yes, namaste.